Hello again, it's Priscilla, Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I've got some really fugly leftover colors. I'm going to use a little puddle of Artist Loft paint. I'm not sure exactly how this is going to work. I'm going to let that roll around, put my colors on it. Oh, there's two dishes there. Try and release some of the nice colors that are left without them turning gray, but not worry about it too much. I just need to clean up my dishes. And I know those aren't particularly attractive. It was kind of a weird last painting. I did a landscape. But what I want to do is prove to myself that it doesn't really matter how I start. It matters where I go from there. Ooh, that wants to be open. That was open earlier. It's open again now. So I've got one edge catcher left, yes I do, and some Prussian blue. And I'll see what I want to do as I go along. This is some old mica powder. Let's give her a little more. Something, paint will flow to paint, so. And I have some black here somewhere. And wish me luck. This could be the moment I use a balloon. You never know. I like leftovers because they're already mixed. Just got rid of a paint chip. And I like going outside my conventional color scheme. Not that I do it that often. Now in the old days I would have just put some white paint in those gaps. But right now I'm a little low on time. And I'm willing to take a risk. Let's let that go all the way down. Now I thought maybe there was a good chance I was probably going to swipe with some cell activator, but I'm not as sure as I was. But I am sure. I just saw something that needs to come out of there. I'm pretty sure I didn't get it. I'm going to take that paint, fill in my gap, and say I'm pretty happy with this. I might be unhappy with myself in a second, but I don't think so. I'm willing to make a mess. And I'm going to torch right after I notice whether I have my edges all covered or not. And I kind of do. Pretty close anyway. Yes, 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 and yes. I could still use a cell activator. It's just been one of those days where I waste a little paint. I like that. Those are unusual colors for me. I think I'm going to grab a straw. I really like that purple a lot more than I like what's on the corner, but I think it'll be all right. Okay, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida. If you like what I do, give me a thumbs up. Watch longer. That helps my placement on YouTube. Oh, I've got some really nice cells. I so want to take my little tool. Well, I don't think I really need to, except for that one spot, and I really want to do it on that one spot. So I'm going to take a little tiny tool and some purple. Put some cell activator right there. I don't want it anywhere else. Well, I didn't until I saw how pretty they were. Cute little cells now, instead of that weirdness. I could go right through there with some white. Nope, I'm going to be good. Tools away. Time to go to dinner. Maybe finish torching. So, I have over 2,200 videos, I think I mentioned. I have, if I didn't, I am now. They're organized by topic and genre and by the 100. And if you want to find them, they're on playlists, all playlists, created playlists on my YouTube channel. And if you can't find what you're looking for, I have them all saved and bookmarked, so I'm happy to share them with you if you'd like me to. We're getting some really cute little cells. Whoa. I got some crazing. That's weird. Okay, well, it's part of the charm of the piece. As long as I don't cook it, I'm all good, and I think I cooked it. I think it'll still be interesting, though. Very different colors that I love. I can't wait to see it dry. I love you guys. Yeah, neat colors. Very different. I like that. Let's see if I can zoom in on some of those cells. Not very well. In any case. So my email address is below the link tree. The link tree is under the video. On the link tree you'll find my Amazon link, where if you shop there it's at no cost to you and it helps me out when you shop there. My 2 books are there because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities, as is my website, my Legallerist, clothing made in Montreal. I'm tongue-tied today, sorry. Thank you for all the comments. Thank you for all the compliments. Thank you for the donations through PayPal that have helped keep me painting. Anybody who contributes through PayPal gets automatically entered in the monthly drawing, and you can see the prizes included at the beginning of the exhibition video I post on the end screen of every video in the last 20 seconds. What else can I tell you? I have spring clothing below the video. Also underneath Show More you can find my paint pouring recipe and my cell activator recipe. My email address is the way to contact me if you are interested in purchasing an artwork. Use the hashtag and the file number from the title of the video. If you are interested in taking a class with me at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, I do give classes, private one-on-one classes. They are 4 hours long. You can ask me questions and I'll get back to you. On the community board you'll find tomorrow's video. My Facebook groups are on the link tree. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More is for shoppingpixels.com and Fine Art America, also on the link tree. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors has albums of artworks from the earlier YouTube artworks, and I'm beginning to catch up, so they might be caught up by the time you get a chance to peek. I love you guys. I'm so happy you're here. I post 7 days a week, and I've had Night Owl videos at 11:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time posted for a little while now, and they might still be running. It might be worth a check if you're a night owl. And otherwise, they've been at 9:30 a.m., but that does change from time to time. On my Linktree, Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links. Pinterest for the Pinterest boards with videos and merchandise. Instagram for my latest artworks, and Twitter has videos too. All right, so you guys take care of each other, take care of yourselves. I will see you anon. I'm sure I've forgotten something, but right now it doesn't matter. I'll talk to you anon. I hope to see you tomorrow. I post 7 days a week. I think I said that. I love you. I know I said that. Bye for now. Priscilla out.